good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night. Whatever time of the day it is, I don't know. I'm tired. All right, so we continue with multiplication. Remember, if we have a two-digit factor and we're doing the standard algorithm, we're going to have two rows of numbers, not just one row of numbers here in our product. Two rows of numbers, not just one row of numbers in my product. I want to estimate first. So Silas, if we were going to estimate this problem to make it easier for us to do in our head, what would you estimate that to, Silas?
We are going to round both numbers 2 digits.
Okay, so what do you want to round it to? What do you want to change 60 to, or 63 to?
60.
And 48?
Wait, no, 50.
Okay. All right, so we're multiplying tens times tens, which means our first digit has to start in the hundreds. So I can just bring these two zeros down. And then I just have to know, Hilary, what is 5 times 6? $30. So my answer for this one should be around 3,000 if I'm estimating correctly. All right, so we start in the ones place. Multiplying by 8 is going to give us one of our products here. So multiplying by 8 is going to give us one of our products. What is 8 times 3? Brianna? 24. That's 24 ones. We're 4 ones and 2 tens. What is 4 times 6, Andrea?
4 times 6 is
24. Plus we have 2 more tens we need to add to that, so it's 26. 26 tens is the same as saying 6 tens and 2 hundreds. So what we did here is 63 times 8. Which every single one of you can do. 63 times 8, yes.
You did something wrong.
What did I do wrong? Oh.
It's 8 times 6.
8 times 6. I said it wrong. So what is 8 times 6?
48.
Plus 2 more.
50.
50. Thank you, Susankia. Thank you. I said 4 times 6. I confused Andrea. Told you I'm sleepy today. Every one of you could do this problem. 63 times 8. Obviously not me. But the rest of you could do this problem. Obviously not me. Now all we're doing is 63 times 40. And we learned when we did our estimate, if I just move this 0 down, then I have to do 63 times 4, which is actually half of what 63 times 8 is. Okay, so now I'm in my tens place, which means my first number is going to start in my tens place. Now I go 4 times 3, which is 12. And I carry my 1. I do 4 times 6, which is Andrea already told me is 24, plus 1 is 25. I add these two products together, and I get 4, and I get 2, and I get... So, we're good with that one?
Yeah.
All right. So 3,024 is my actual product. Yes, sir? Okay. All right, now we have a 3-digit times a 2-digit. But all I'm doing, if I break this apart, is I'm multiplying 895 times 6 and 895 times 80, which means I just have to put the 0 down and multiply it by 8. You all know how to do 1-digit division or multiplication. That's all it is. 1-digit multiplication is all you're doing. If you need to break it up that way, break it up that way. Then you can add these two products together. If that is easier, do it that way. Please. We've got to get these correct. Let's estimate here. Saraya, how are you going to change these to make it easier to do in my head? 900 times 90. So we're multiplying a 10 times 100, which would mean our first number is going to be in the thousands place. So I take these 3 zeros down, and 9 times 9 is
81.
81. So my answer should be somewhere near 81,000. We don't have an answer somewhere near 81,000, then we've probably got a problem somewhere. Now I'm just doing my 895 times 6. So what is 6 times 5? 30. So that's 31s. So we're 3 10s and 0 1s. What is 6 times 9?
54.
Plus the other 3 10s,
57.
which is 57 10s, or 7 10s and 5 hundreds. 6 times 8,
48.
plus 5,
53.
53. So when I multiply here, I should get 5,370. Your first row, your first product, when you multiplied 895 by 6, you should get 5,370. Now we have to multiply it by 80, which, since now I'm moving to the tens place, I've already put that 0 down here. Because, I mean, it's just going to go 0, 0, 0 across.
Why does it say 80
Holy cow.
Is something happening?
All right, so now let's do 8 times 5, which is
40.
40. 8 times 9 is
72.
plus 4,
76.
76. 8 times 8
64.
plus 7,
91. I mean 71, sorry.
71. So now I have 71,600. I add those two products together. Did we do everything right? Okay. So 0, 7, 9, 6, 7. 76,970. Kaylee?
Yes.
We good?
For the 80, isn't it supposed to be 86?
Well, no, because I did the 6 here.
Oh, okay.
And then the 80 here. So I did expanded. I broke it apart because 86 is the same as saying 80 plus 6. So I multiply it by 6 and then I multiply it by 80, and then it's easier because I can multiply it by a 1-digit number here. I can multiply by a 1-digit number here just by putting that 0 down, because then we're in our tens place. Okay, make sense? All right. Boom, shakalaka, peace out. God bless. Love you to some kind today. Save the beast. Please subscribe. Share with your friends.